What up, YouTube? Richie Barber coming at you with another video. This video is going to be unboxing and on review on Sphinx beard oil. Already opened it, looked at it, smelled all of them. A lot of them smell really good. My favorite so far is the Black Desert. But, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, y'all. This is what the case look like. It says here in the back, new generation of Sphinx has been proven to be the game changer. And the original beard card, who said the beard products had to smell all the same? Stay smelling great, quench your face thirst. My friends, Sphinx, where beard has history. www.sphinxbeard.com. I will say I got like maybe top 5 favorite. Number 1, the Black Desert. I already put some on my beard. That's why it's not laying. I mean, it feels good on the skin. It helps lay the beard down even without the balm. Smells delicious. Now, there's a lot here, so I don't want to go through all of them and describe the smell. It's hard to do that with so many and trying to keep videos down to a certain amount of time. But along with the Black Desert, there's hypothesis, chocoholic, executive sweet. That one smells pretty good. Not in my top 5 though. Caribbean Island, smolder. That's this one. It's good. It's hard to describe the smell on them. That's in that 6-pack. Madrid. Strange. Yo, the logo on these is dope. Curse of Ambers is another good one. And pour. Cinnamon crumb. Saturated musk is one of my least favorite. That one. Least favorite. You can't pronounce that for the life of me. Not for sure, for sheer. Something like that. Tropical cherry, number 4. Wanderlust, that's number 5. No, that's number 4. No, sorry, that's number 3. I can't keep track. Vanilla Smoke, that's number 4. And the pack of this is number 5. And then you got What the Fudge. It's in there, but those are the oils. Like I said, Black Desert is definitely my favorite. Go ahead and hit the description below, the link below, for it will be in there. You can check them out yourself. I should have a promo code.
Yeah, beard balm. I already used some. Excuse me, allergies whipping my butt, but definitely smell the frankincense and the mango butter. That's in it. I like it. long lasting. Like it legit lasted all day yesterday. I mean, alright. It's a light hold, so it's not tacky. Smells good, lasts long. Makes the beard lay real nice. As you see. Hit them up. SphinxBeard.com. Link will be in the description below, as well as their story. Story behind this company will be in the description below. Rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you want to see next. And I got some good news coming, so go ahead and check them out. Again, link will be in the description below. I mean, altogether, all their products smell good. I'm gonna keep saying that. I mean, my personal least favorite is saturated musk. I never did like musk scent, but I mean, that's my personal opinion. But altogether, dope products, lightweight, don't leave your beard feeling heavy, anything like that. So I'll definitely keep checking them out, seeing what new scents they have. So without further ado, we're gonna sign out.